Hi everybody. I'm going to show you how one way of doing mashed potatoes. I've got 10 pounds of potatoes that I peeled and washed, and then I cut up into little pieces so they can cook faster. See, and I got 10 pounds in here. They're almost done. And when they're fork tender, then go ahead and drain them. Now I don't like to add any cold liquid or butter or anything to my hot potatoes after I drain them and put them in a bowl. So in here I've got see, it's already, I got it all set to go because my potatoes are almost done. I have 2 sticks of unsalted butter. Remember, I'm doing 10 pounds of potatoes, but you can always cut it in half if you want. 5 pounds or quarter it to 2.5 pounds. All right, so I have 2 sticks of unsweetened butter in here, a cup of heavy cream, and a cup of milk. And then I've got in 14 ounces of cream cheese. Why 14 ounces is because I didn't have quite 2 full blocks of 8-ounce cream cheese, so that's what I used. Almost 2 of them. All right, that's a Philadelphia cream cheese. They come in those 8-ounce blocks, so I used 1 whole block and then 6 ounces on another block. Okay, and I just got that all melted, so when my potatoes are ready, I can just dump it in, and then it just makes it nicer and easier. When we get to that point, I'll show you the next step. Okay. Okay, so the potatoes were fork tender, so I drained them. And now I like to use first a potato masher, okay? And I like just to mash them. They're almost done. And then I like to use the hand mixer. Now you want to be careful you don't overbeat them because they'll become worse than a pasty glue, okay? Now, add in some of your milk and your heavy cream and your butter and cream cheese. All right, and then just start mixing it all in. I'm going to add a little more because when they set, just give a little mash with a mixer because you don't want to over mix it because it'll become glue and really pasty. It's a good workout though, I'll tell you. Let's keep working it. Just like that. And then you'll have the most creamiest mashed potatoes ever. See how it's getting there? This is really good potatoes. I'll taste them afterwards, see if it needs any more salt and pepper. Make sure if you're doing a large batch like me, you really get down there and make sure there's no lumps. Some people like it if there's a little bit of lumps in their potatoes, and some people don't like any lumps. Okay, looks pretty good. Let me give it a little taste. I made a good mess. Much easier doing small batches at a time. A little more salt. And just a little more pepper. if you also wanted to, but I figure with the heavy cream, the milk, the cream cheese, a few sticks of butter and everything, you could also add in some garlic powder, a little of the seasoned salt if you wanted to, instead of just regular salt. All right, these potatoes are done. And with that cream cheese, these make them really, really creamy. All right, let me get something else different to test with. And see how nice those are? That's really good. And this is what they look like. Okay, everyone. That's it on one style of making some mashed potatoes. You guys have a good night. Take care and God bless you. Bye-bye. And here's what it looks like when you serve it on a plate. Okay. Bye, everyone.